The chicken and egg problem. And it's a problem that you're going to experience. Everybody in technology who's trying to break into technology is going to experience. So it's important that we address this. And the question is, if you can describe it succinctly, would be what comes first? Do you get the job first or do you get the experience first? And this is how you can succinctly describe the chicken and egg problem that most everybody who is going to be get trying to get into the cloud computing space is going to face. This problem happens to pretty much everybody, which is most job postings that you find, even those that are supposedly entry level, they require some kind of prior experience to apply. So, how do you gain experience without a job? Right? The objective of this course and anybody who's watching these videos is to get a job, but the job requires experience. But to get experience, you need a job. Well, what's the problem? How do you fix this? How do you address this problem? Do you get the experience or do you get the job? What comes first, the chicken or the egg? And this experience versus job conundrum is going to happen to all of you, and it's important that we address it early. And the solution is that the experience comes first. And you must be thinking, wait, how can the experience come before the job? That's circular, isn't it? And this is not circular. The reason this is not circular is because in this course, I'm going to show you many ways of getting experience without getting a job. And you must be thinking, wait, isn't experience the same as a job? And the answer is no, it is not. There are plenty of ways of getting experience without having a job or without actually getting paid for it. These include volunteering, freelancing, personal projects, and open source contributions, and plenty of other opportunities and ways. So, basically, what I want you to think of it this way. In order to have experience doing something, you don't need to be paid to do it. So, experience comes before the job. And all the projects and homeworks and other things that are designed in this course is their objective is to get you a job, but before the job comes the experience. And the projects that I'm going to be assigning to you in this course are going to be with this specific objective in mind. I'm going to build your resume with experience so that you become invaluable. My objective is to build your resume such that companies will beg you to work for them. The way that this works, and it happens to me, right? I constantly am bombarded with emails and LinkedIn requests. Can you do this? Can you do that? Like it gets overwhelming because if you build your resume right, the way you build your resume right is because is with the way you do it is you get experience before you get the job. Now, how do you do that? I will show you in this course. Let's go back one slide. Volunteering, freelancing, personal projects, open source contributions. These are all ways with which you can gain experience before you can get a job. And I will show you how to do that in this course. All the projects and other things that we're going through are going to weave their way through all of these volunteering, freelancing, personal projects, and open source contributions. So let's get into it.